Yo guys, what's up? It's Alex from GMG Studio. Today I will show you my favorite productivity booster as a professional software developer. Open Visual Studio Code, go to Preferences and then User Snippets. And then type in a name, choose whatever you want. It doesn't matter. After entering the name, you can see an example from Visual Studio Code. You can see the name, the scope doesn't really matter, we won't use it, the prefix, and the body. The prefix is what you write, which will be auto-completed to the body. And then you can see the description. The description is, well, it's just the description. Let me show you an example. I will use your code snippet for debug.log. The name is debug.log unity, the prefix is printd, my body is debug.log with some errors and $null. This is where I will continue writing after using the prefix and the description. Let me show you how to use it. As you see, if I write print, it suggests me printd, and I continue to write after the errors where the $null was. This is cool and it saves so much time. It's a pretty basic example, but I really like it. Let me show you some other cool examples. Now let's do the same thing to debug an error. We have to change the prefix to print e because it says print error, the body to debug.log error, and this is it, guys. Now we can use it to autocomplete from print e to debug.log error. But, well, we forgot something. Let me fix this. We have to change the name as well. And after we change the name, we can use print e and print e to be autocompleted. This is one of my favorite code snippets, colorful logs. We made a whole video about it. If you want, you can watch it, I will link it for you. You just have to add a color in the debug.log or the debug.log error message. We will use for the debug green and for the error we will use a red color. And let's try it. We will just delete the old debugs and we will write print d, which will be auto-completed to the color debug, and print e, which is debug.log error and will be auto-completed as well. I really like it, this is really cool. And now let's look how it looks in Unity. We just have to run it and wait a bit. And now you can see the debug message is green and the error message is red. This is really cool, I like using it. This is so much more fun than normal logs. But now let me show you another really cool example. As you probably know, we like to use managers and they look pretty similar. We have an instance, we have a wake method, and we have a singleton pattern in every manager. And I made a whole code snippet for this because this will save so much time and this is really cool. Let me show you how to use it. We will just create a new file. Let's call it cheating manager. Whatever you want. If you want to try it, call it whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. Now let's open the file and delete the start and the update method. And now we can just write manager and it will be auto-completed. And after hitting save, it will be formatted. And this saves so much time. Oh, we are missing an empty line. Let's fix this. I will show you how to. We will go back to our code snippets. And then we will have to enter an empty line. And this is it, guys. This is one of my favorite productivity boosters as a professional software developer. I really enjoy using them. I really like code snippets. I hope the video was helpful. And by the way, what is your favorite code snippet? Let us know in the comments. See you in the next video.
Like the video if you liked the video, dislike the video if you disliked the video, subscribe if you want to be notified on our future content. We are also on Instagram and Facebook. Feel free to follow us there as well. And have a great day. Start creating, stop consuming.